I just put together this great big kitchen cabinet and I really like it. As you can see, if you open up this cabinet, it has a shelf here that has 3 different levels. It's very deep, can fit dishes, can fit cake tins, things like that. Then you also have 2 pull-out drawers, and on the bottom, 2 very nice cabinets that could be a spice rack shelf, anything you want to fit in here. And then also, this is a movable shelf with 3 different levels as well, or you can remove the shelf completely and put larger, taller items in there.